Hi, I'm going to give you a little update for buyers right now. This is coming from Lawrence Yun. He's the chief economist for the National Association of Realtors. So, just a little update as you're watching the news and you're watching the markets roll and change. So, let's talk about what a buyer is facing out there today. With these changing interest rates, I think at each point you want to have your pre-approval updated. You want to be up to the minute. We are watching these changes in interest rates a little more often, so you want to be sure that you're within your budget, within your means. It may mean looking at a home a little less expensive than you originally thought. Okay, the prices are going to remain high for a while. We still have a shortage of inventory in most areas. And what we have now, too, is still a shortage, definitely in the suburban areas. There's been a lot of movement. People who can work remote don't need to be tied to the city, to metropolitan living, and looking for a little bit more sprawling suburban space. So that's where things are going there. Do know that the lenders are doing a very responsible job. It's not like in the years leading up to the 2008 financial crisis. They are really vetting the borrowers. So that may mean you want to be able to check your credit situation, because those with substandard credit will find themselves paying higher interest rates. So that's really important to really try and have your credit in top position. And you might want to work with a credit repair specialist. They do come through government agencies that will really not cost you anything. So it's important to have your credit in order. And I would tell people to think about their plans, because when you're buying a home today, if you're thinking you might want to be there only for maybe, say, 5 years, you might want to look at a 5-year ARM, an adjustable rate mortgage, which will be less expensive, especially with the rates changing like they are, than locking in with a 30-year. So that's not a good product for everyone, but for certain situations. So that's what you'll want to discuss with your lender. And finally, for any buyer today, I think you want to have your team in place. What is your team? Good realtor, good attorney, a good home inspector, a good lender, a contractor, your good financial advisor who can really work with you to have great input, so you're making informed decisions and the right move for you and those you're moving with. This is Helen Keith, the Keith team at Keller Williams Realty Landmark, here to help you with your plans, your goals, your future.